No, Matt Mercer, you have a great day. What a character. Hi, my name's Rybonator, and I'm a professional internet nerd. I like to make a lot of things on this channel, mainly dice. I would be called a dice goblin by a lot. I also like to make a few other things, like terrain. I write modules and adventures for people to go on in D&D. Sometimes I even stream some of them. That's pretty fun.
You must have heard Shadow Daddy.
Heck, we even make candy versions of things. That's a lot of things. If you're looking for somebody who knows exactly what they're doing, that ain't gonna be me. We're gonna fail together, but we're gonna learn from it, and we're gonna make ourselves better crafters as a result. I really hope you enjoy the channel. Maybe check out some of my stuff and see if you want to become a dice goblin yourself. That's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoy and have yourself a fantastic day. Alright, Matt, we'll play another game.